Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision: a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. Mission: the university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and responsive research and extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals: Negros Oriental State University strive to advance NORSA, national development through effective partnership, opportunity-laden educational access to poor but deserving students. R. Research-based competency-driven instruction. S. Scholarship and innovation. U. Unity and diversity of culture. Core values. Core values represent what we believe in, giving character to our university operations. These are Sapphire. S. Spirituality. A. Accountability. P. Professionalism. P. Patriotism. H. Harmony. I. Integrity. R. Respect. E. Excellence. Policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to provide quality instruction, research, extension, services, and production, as well as to comply with applicable regulatory requirements and continual improvement of its management system. Criminology, education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation, in addressing the vital problems of crime control, and in meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission: the College of Criminal Justice Education program commit itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives: in pursuant to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequence courses of study which are well planned. These courses of study utilize didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunity in instruction and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. Number 2. It provides the students with a broad cultural background and understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. 3. It fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, an understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. Number 4. It inspires and instills in the student the value of service to humanity. Number 5. It encourages research and inquiry in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologist and is registered as such by board examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission. Pursuant to RE 6506 Section 23, define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506 Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following position. A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearms examiner. C. Question documents examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent of any law enforcement agency. J. Security officer. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution Number 983022, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment from PNCO rank of PO1 up to the Police Commission Officer PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975 Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11 General Orders. Rule 1. Take charge of dispose in all companies' properties in view and protect, preserve the name with utmost diligence. Number 2. To walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. To report all calls from post nor distance from the guardhouse where I am stationed. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Or 6. To receive, obey, and pass out the relieving guard all order from company officers or officials, superiors post in charge, or shift leaders. 7. Talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To seek and to sound or call the alarm in case of fire and disorder. Number 9. To call the superiors officers in any cause not covered by instruction. 10. To select all companies, officials, superiors in agency, ranking public officials, and commission officers of AFP and officers of PNP. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during time of challenging to challenge all persons on or near my post and to allow no one pass or loiter without proper authority and to eat my meals before rendering my duty. The Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. Being entrusted with duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard life and properties, to protect the innocent against deceptions, the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example of all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn, or ridicule. Develop self-restraint and constantly mindful in welfare of others. Honest in thought of deed in both with my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I see or hear confidential in nature will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudices, animosities, and friendship influence my decision. With no compromise for crime and with relentless persecution of criminals, I will enforce the law courteously and appropriate without fear and or favor, malice or I will never accepting gratitudes in return. I recognize the badge of my officers as a symbol of public faith and accept it as a public trust. I shall wear it with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess only while I fulfill the solemn obligation. Police officers cried, I believe in God, supreme being, great provider, and creator of all men and everything dear to me. In return, I can do less than love him above all, seek his guidance in performance of my sworn duties, honor him at all times. I believe that respect for authority is a duty. I respect and uphold the Constitution, the law of the land, and applicable rules and regulations. I recognize the legitimacy and authority of leadership and follow and obey legal orders of my superior officer. I believe in selfless love and service to people. Toward this end, I commit myself to the service of my fellow men over and above my personal convenience. I believe that sanctity and of marriage, the respect for women, I shall set the example of decency, morality, and shall have high regard for family life and chastity. I believe in the responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. I shall inhibit myself from ostentatious display of my property. I shall protect the environment and conserve nature and maintain ecological balance. I shall respect private and public properties and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in the wisdom of thoughtfulness and must be trustworthy. I shall speak the truth at all times, as required by my professions. Ten Commandments of God. Number 1. I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. Number 2. Thou shalt not use the name of the Lord in vain. Number 3. Remember to keep the holy Sabbath day, Lord's Day. 4. Honor your father and mother. 5. Thou shalt not kill. 6. Thou shalt not commit adultery. 7. Thou shalt not steal. 8. Thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. 9. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's wife. 10. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's goods. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sins against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Vision Mission of Philippine National Police. Mission. The PNP enforce the law, prevent and control crimes, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety and internal security with active support of the community. Vision. Exploring the aid of Almighty by 2030, we shall be highly capable, effective, and credible police service, working in partnership with a responsive community towards the attainment of the safer place to live and do business. Vision. Mission of Bureau of Fire Protection. Mission. To prevent and suppress destructive fires, investigate its causes, provide emergency medical and rescue services, and enforce other fire-related laws with the active involvement of the community. Vision. A modern fire protection agency working towards safe and progressive society. Vision Mission of Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Mission. to provide human safekeeping and development opportunity for persons deprived of liberty is the promotion of public safety vision. By 2040, a world-class agency highly capable of providing human safekeeping and developmental opportunity for persons deprived of liberty. Core values, core competencies. Core competence, makatao, maka, may integridad, matatag. Core competence, continuous skills enhancement of personnel, ability to establish linkages and partnership, responsive planning, timely decision making, efficient implementation. Laws RE Republic Act PD Presidential Degrees BP Batas Pambansa PD number 1185 Fire Code of the Philippines PD number 704 Revising and Consolidating all laws and decrees affecting fishing and fisheries PD number 532 Anti-Piracy and Anti-Highway Robbery Law of 1974 PD number 533 Anti-Cattle Rustling Law of 1974 PD number 449 Cockfighting Law of 1974 PD number 968 Prohibition Law of 1976 PD number 1612 Anti-Fencing Law